Hi, I'm Amanda from I Am Baker, and I'm sharing kind of a fun recipe with you today. It is coconut Swiss meringue buttercream, but not really. I'm faking you out. It is an easy version of a Swiss meringue. We're gonna use egg whites, but we're not cooking them. When you're making this recipe, make sure that you get your egg whites from the grocery store. They're typically next to the eggs. You'll find containers of pasteurized egg whites. I have 4 ounces measured out here, and I'm just gonna add this right to our stand mixer. And to that, 2 cups of confectioner sugar. I have not sifted it because I'm gonna let the mixer do the work for me. I'm gonna turn this on for roughly 5 minutes. And what we're creating is essentially like a royal icing. All right, this looks beautiful. And now we're gonna get into the next step of this recipe. We're gonna add our butter. This is a full pound of butter. It's fantastic, you're gonna love it. But you want to add it about a half a stick at a time. And I like to have my mixer on low as I'm doing that. And I just want to incorporate each little section into our royal icing base here and let it incorporate and then add a little bit more butter. Once I get all of this butter added in, I am going to back away, check on my Facebook, and let it go for 10 minutes. And now my favorite part about this recipe is the flavor. We are going to add coconut extract to this. You want to look for the pure coconut extract, not imitation. Specifically for this recipe, it just adds a more authentic flavor, and the flavor really shines through. Add a full 2 tablespoons of this coconut extract. And I know that sounds like a lot, but it's not. When you're using a full pound of butter, you need something to help it along, unless you just like the flavor of butter. I know I do. So here's all of our extract. And I'm gonna continue adding the rest of my butter. As soon as I've got it all in there, then I'm gonna turn this on high. Okay, this has been going for about 10 minutes and it's already looking beautiful. But now it's for my secret, super special trick. Since this is coconut frosting and I want to use it on a coconut cake, I really want it to be white. So here's my tip. I take a little bit of purple food color, just the tiniest bit, and I drop it into the icing. I would start small with this. Like, you can always add more, but you're gonna wanna see how it looks as you go. So I'm just going to smear a little bit right here, and we'll see how it looks. Our recipe is all done. This frosting looks beautiful and is noticeably whiter, so it's gonna look great on whatever I pipe it on. So I just want to get it out of my bowl and into a piping bag, or you can put it directly on a cake from here. It's absolutely gorgeous. And not only is it gorgeous and will it pipe beautifully, but it tastes amazing. It's kind of a life changer. So definitely try this beautiful coconut copycat Swiss meringue buttercream on your next coconut cake.